This is Godfrey Elabo. So I'm creating this video to show you my earning post on my Fiverr account, so you can see for yourself that making money from home and making money online is very real. You can do this on your own. I'm going to show you my screen now so you can see for yourself. Yeah, you can see my screen right there. Even though we are still in April, you can see I already have funds that are ready to clear in the month of May. You can see. So let's scroll down and see. So I get paid like every day. You can see April 30, 29, 29, 28, 27, 27, 26, 25. You can see I get paid like every day. Get paid like every day. So making money on Fiverr is for real. It's for real. You can see on the 17, 16, 16, 15, 14. Can continue to show you like that. So I get paid like every day. Like every day, you can see for yourself. March, this is for March last month. You can see March 28, 22, 21, 17, 14, 8. So I get paid like every day. You can see February. So I can continue to show you like that. And these payments are not just one, they are multiple payments. You can see on the 5, 1, 2, 3, 3 payment, on the 6, 1, on the 8, on the 11, 15, 1, 2, 16. So I get paid like every day. I can continue to show you. This is for January. You can see in January. So I can continue like that and show you even till 2019, 2018. I can continue to show you like that. So making money from Fiverr is real. Making money from Fiverr is real. So you can see my earnings as I display it here. I get paid in multiple fold like every day. You can see in April this month on the 3, 2, on the 4, 1, on the 5. On the 5 I had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 payment on the 6, 1, 2, 3. On the 7. So on the 10 you can see on the 12. And most of the payment are multiple payments. They are multiple payments. So I get paid every day. I get paid every day. And I even have funds that are yet to clear in the month of May, even though we are still in March. So this is what you can do. As we are in this lockdown, everybody's at home. I'm still making my money from home. Now let's check how much is $3 at today. You can see 389 on today's date. Today's date is 30th April 2020. You can see as at today we have dollar to naira is 389. So you need to find a way to start making money online legitimately.